Welcome to HTML5 lecture sequel. In today's video, we are going to see about heading tags. Whenever we are preparing a document, book and article, there will be topics and multi-level subtopics in it. Similarly, there will be topics and subtopics in the HTML document we display in browser. To do this in HTML, it has 6 level of heading tags. Now we will see the heading tags with an example program. HTML elements historically were categorized either block level elements or inline level elements. A block level element occupies the entire horizontal space of its parent element, that is, its outer level element, and vertical space to the height of its content, thereby creating a block. Browsers typically display the block level element with a new line both before and after the element. Inline elements are those which only occupy the space bounded by the tags defining the element, instead of breaking the flow of the content like block level elements. Generally, inline elements may contain only data and other inline elements. We cannot put block level element inside inline elements. Whereas in case of block level elements, it may contain inline elements and sometimes other block level elements. This heading tags comes under the block level elements. Heading elements allow us to specify that certain parts of our content are headings or subheadings. HTML contains 6 heading levels from H1 to H6. Heading 1 H1 defines the most important heading, whereas heading 6 H6 defines the least important headings. Each HTML headings has a default size. This was demonstrated in the line from 16 to 18. You can see on left side the program line number 16 to 18. We have given 6 heading tags. In each line there are 2 headings. When you see the browser on the right side, all the 6 headings are in separate line, because whenever we use heading tag, it will display in a different block. We can specify the size for any heading with style attributes using CSS font size property, which we are going to discuss in a separate video sequel. We can see that our heading level 1 has a implicit style. Don't use heading element to make text bigger or bold, because they are used for accessibility and other reasons such as SEO, which is search engine optimization. Search engine use the headings to index the structure and content of our web page. Users often skim a page by its heading. It is important to use headings to show the document structure. Here for this example, we use the line number 20 to 24 in our program, which specifies the concept of this particular program. In line number 20, we have given the title of this particular video sequel, which is heading 1. On line number 21, we have given the title of this particular video, which is heading tags. On line number 22, out of 6 tags, we have picked one tag, which is H1. It was displayed as a third heading, which is H3. For H4, we used in the line number 23, we have given the title definition, and in the line number 24, we have given the description for H1 tag, which is H1 defines the most important heading. if we are going to use a 4 headings, it should be 1, 2, 3, 4. It should not be 3, 4, 5, 6 or 2, 3, 4, 5. It should be used in order starting from H1, H2 and so on. If you have any queries or if you need any clarification in this video, you can post it on comment section. Thank you.